Great question, Gina. Yes, the answer is yes. The world has a moral duty to help. That is what the whole concept of solidarity is about. That we are one people and one human race. So if one part of us is suffering, then the others have a moral obligation to come in and help. And this obligation can even be higher when the part of the world may be also contributing to part of the problem. Now, what do I mean? If you look at Africa, for instance, most of the conflicts that we have in Africa go way back to colonial times. If you look at the border divisions, if you look at the ethnic tensions that were created because of the colonial policies of indirect rule. Now, if you look at the economic system, take Liberia for instance. When we in West Africa, there we kept saying the Liberian conflict is about diamonds. Now, when the international community finally sat up and said, yes, this is about diamonds, the conflict fizzled out. So number one, we have a moral obligation first and foremost as human beings, as one family. And secondly, we have a moral obligation when we have been part of the problem or when we have contributed significantly. Look at the way people are killing each other in Africa. But there is nowhere in Africa where those guns are manufactured. So that is an issue. Now, the natural resources are being exploited. Who is buying them? Where are they going? How many people in Africa can afford a diamond ring? And yet the people are suffering. So I think on these two counts, the world has a moral obligation to work towards peace and to alleviate the suffering of other people.